OSR Digital, entertaining the nation.
रातले जुनलाई चाहे जस्तो दिनले घामलाई पाए जस्तो अजम्बरी लौला पिरती हो अजम्बरी लौला पिरती
लुका मारी खेल्छ किन घाम र जुन
अनि पो हुन्छ रात र दिन आफ्नै आकाश आफ्नै धरती अनि हाम्रो आफ्नै होला साँझ बिहान
खैकेले खान्छ नि खैकेले खान्छ नि कुटु कुटु मन मेरो किन कहिले तितो कहिले मिठो यस्तो कथा रहेछ माया मुटुको सोना
घाम पानीले मायालाई छुन्छ र
मायाको रङ्ग मधुरो हुन्छ र यो मनलाई त्यो मनको खबर छैन र
मायामा बग्दै जाने रहर छैन र किनाराले नदीलाई डोर्याए जस्तो नदीले सागर पाए जस्तो अजम्बरी लौला पिरती हो अजम्बरी लौला पिरती
यो मनलाई त्यो मनको खबर छैन र मायामा बग्दै जाने रहर छैन रातले जगलाई चाहे जस्तो दिनले घमलाई पाए जस्तो आइजम्बरी नौला पिरती अनि पहुँच रातर दिना आफ्नै आकाश आफ्नै धरती अनि हाम्रो आफ्नै होला साँझ बिहान खैकेले खान्छ नि खैकेले खान्छ नि कुटो कुटो मन मेरो कहिले तिता कहिले
तमातो मजा शिखर बन्दम ओम विशेषम माधव धुनिम दण्डपानिम च भैरवम वन्दे काशीं गुहं गंगां भवानी मणिकर्णिकां वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सुमुखस्थैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णक लम्बोदरस्य विकटो विघ्नाशु विनायक धूम्रकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षो भालचन्द्रो गजानन द्वादशैतरणावानि यपटे श्रीनादेवी विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा संग्रामे संकटे चैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते शुक्लं वरदं देवं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नं वदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्ते अभिसिद्धार्थ सिद्धार्थं पूजितो यसुरासुरै सर्वविघ्नसिद्धि तस्मै गणाधिपते ओम गं गणपते नमः So now we are going to do the Lagan Ghat. It's called the Lagan Ghat. We are going to make a small spade and we'll go roll up this one and we'll make a band, and it will be the we'll try to make a tight, means our relation will be strong. No one can destroy the same that way. Anyway.
पूरा गर्नेछु एक दिन मलाई यति थाहा छ
स्वस्ति अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्वा Agnidev, we are going to do this Subhos Ram Rose भनेर
लाज नमानी मनका कुरा भन्न पाए हुन्थ्यो तिम्रो मन भित्रको मान्छे बन्न पाए हुन्थ्यो तिम्रो मन भित्रको मान्छे बन्न पाए हुन्थ्यो सुख दुःख साट्ने तिम्रो साथी बनेर संसारमै सबै भन्दा माथि बनेर
स्वस्ति न ताक्ष अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु इन्दः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षयो शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्ति वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलायतनो हरि तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव ताराबलं चन्द्रबलं तदेव विद्याबलं दैवबलं तदेव लक्ष्मीपते ते युगमस्मरामि Whenever done the 7th round, then after that we are going to do the Kanyadan short program. So when done, they will come back to sit as it is, and then the brother also, the bride's brother, he need to be here to. Yeah, you can sit. Yeah, as it is, you guys can sit. That one also can hold same way. You guys can help. Okay, help please. You guys can help. Yeah, there is a good man. He is helping himself. Good job. He is a good man. You have to take care. Yeah, I know. They will take care only one today, na? The whole life. You guys have to come this side too. So you guys also have to stand up. Sorry. Help her. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Move her nicely. He will do. So yeah, just whatever there is a seat. You see, you have to leave your seat. You see. Yeah, this kind of an. Yeah. Oh, you guys can sleep. Okay. I mean like. God bless you. God bless you. You good job. So always, if possible, every single time, if you stay that way, even eating time, sleeping time, driving time, every single time, if you guys stay, every single couple, I mean a married couple, if they stay that way, the positive vibes will come. And normally ladies make, I know, they need more positive vibes. So they will get. Tinataksha arishtanevi swastino brihaspati dadatu swastino brihaspati dadatu. Om Swastino Brihaspati Dadatu. Om Swastino Brihaspati Dadatu. One more round. Swastino Brihaspati Dadatu. Swastino Brihaspati Dadatu. Good job. Swastino Brihaspati Dadatu. Yeah. So that's good. Give me the one time there. Okay, that's good enough. So now you can cover it. Oh, this already set up. Oh, it's okay. So yeah, take this one and then fold it. So you can put back this one here and. Done. So I'm making the very short. It's the Kanyadan. We are going to do the Kanyadan. We are giving the hand from our father, mother, grandmother. I mean, all the close relatives. They are going to give the hand to Mr. Mark. So, Harihi Om, Hari Om Tatsat, Harihi Om. Sri Sate Lakshmi Chapatnya Bahuratre Parsave Nachatrani Rupamasino Gatama Vishnani Khana Mummai Khana Sarvalokam Maykhana Om Namastanantaya Sahasramurte Sahasrapadaya Sisirurvahave Sahasranaya Saraswati Sahasrapurti close parents, relatives, they are going to bless you both. God bless you both. God bless you both. Om Shri Vachasa Ayusha Arogya Mavidhat Pavanam Mahiyate Om Swastina Indra Swastina Pata Vishwavinaha Swastina Taksarishthani Swastina Brihaspati Dadatu Swastina Brihaspati Dadatu Swastina Brihaspati Dadatu श्री सते लक्ष्मी सपत्न्या बहोरात्रि पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपमसि नौ व्यातम ईश्वरनिखाण मम ईखाण सर्वलोकमैखाण हरि ओम मंत्रार्था सफला सन्तु प्रणा सन्तु मनोरथा शत्रुणां विनाशस्तु मित्राणां मध्यस्तव सिद्धिरस्तु क्रियारम्भे वृद्धिरस्तु धनागमे पुष्टिरस्तु शरीरेषु शान्तिरस्तु गृहादिषु श्रीवर्चस्व आयुष्य आरोग्यमविधात् पवनं मह्यते धनं धान्य पशुन् बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायु हरि ओम हरि ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वासोदा नमस्तुते ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते ओम नमस्तोऽनन्ताय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादाय शिशिरोरुभावे सहस्रनाम्ने पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटियुगधारिणे नमः ब्रदर गिव द ठीक छ अहिले पछि ओम श्री सते लक्ष्मी सपत्न्या बहोरात्रि पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपमसि नौ व्यातम ईश्वरनिखाण ममैखाण सर्वलोकमैखाण चाहिँ पछि दिन्छौँ ल यो बुवा आमा हजुरआमा उसले मात्रै गर्दैछौँ अरूले चाहिँ पछाडि हामी उता गरेर गर्छौँ गिफ्ट दिनलाई हामी अब यो सिन्दुरको कार्यक्रम हुँदैछ ल ल
छाता बनेर तिम्रै नामको थर लेख्ने नाता बनेर साँझ बिहान दिन रातै सधैँ सधैँ तिम्रो साथै हुने मन छ तिमीसँग सँग हिँड्ने यो मनको चाह छ पुरा गर्नेछु एक दिन मलाई तिमीसँग सँग हिँड्ने यो मनको चाह छ पुरा गर्नेछु एक दिन मलाई यति थाहा छ पुरा गर्नेछु एक दिन मलाई
बहोरात्रि पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपमसि नौ व्यातम ईश्वरनिखाण ममैखाण सर्वलोकमैखाण हरि ओम मंत्रार्थ सफला for there is a gift some she want to pass I think हरि ओम श्री वर्चस्व आयुष्य आरोग्य मविधात् पवनं मह्यते धनं धान्य पशुन् बहुपुत्र लाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायु मंत्रार्थ सफला सन्तु प्रणा सन्तु मनोरथा शत्रुणां विनाशस्तु मित्राणां मदयस्तव God bless you ओम श्री वर्चस्व आयुष्य आरोग्य मविधात् पवनं मह्यते धनं धान्य पशुन् बहुपुत्र लाभं शतसंवत्सरम् ओम श्री सते लक्ष्मी सपत्न्या बहोरात्रि पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपमसि नौ व्यातम ईश्वरनिखाण ममैखाण सर्वलोकमैखाण हरि ओम श्री वर्चस्व आयुष्य आरोग्य मविधात् पवनं मह्यते धनं धान्य पशुन् बहुपुत्र लाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायु God bless you, God bless you, God bless you.
भित्रको मान्छे बन्न पाए हुन्थ्यो सुख दुःख
सते लक्ष्मी सपत्न्या बहोरात्रि पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपमसि नौ व्यातम ईश्वरनिखाण ममैखाण सर्वलोकमैखाण मंत्रार्थ सफला सन्तु प्रणा सन्तु मनोरथा शत्रुणां विनाशस्तु मित्राणां मदयस्तव ओम श्री वर्चस्व आयुष्य आरोग्य मविधात् पवनं मह्यते धनं धान्य पशुन् बहुपुत्र लाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायु ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा नमस्तुते ओम श्री वर्चस्व आयुष्य आरोग्य मविधात् पवनं मह्यते धनं धान्य पशुन् बहुपुत्र लाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायु ओम सिद्धिरस्तु क्रियारम्भे वृद्धिरस्तु धनागमे पुष्टिरस्तु शरीरेषु शान्तिरस्तु गृहादिषु God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. ओम श्री वर्चस्व आयुष आरोग्य विधात पवन महीयते ननम धान्य पशन
She is the best and most loving child in our family. We learn a lot of things from her. She's everything for us. She's our angel and most loving one.
She means a lot to me. And then she was when she was young, she wants to be like a princess. She's pretending, and then really she looks like a princess, and she has so many good things on her. So
What kind of emotions are you guys feeling right now?
Actually, this is a mixture of both sadness and then happiness, but mostly it is happiness because she chose the partner that she wanted, and everything is matching between them too. So they have I wish them best of luck for future, and the way I see they are happy and we are very happy too. This is all set up is because of them, and we are very happy. We are proud and very happy for what the ceremony today.
I'm so happy for them. I bless them. Both of them are very beautiful and very compatible couples. And then I'm so happy. If I cry, also maybe it's just my happy cry. But I'm so happy. There is. I cannot imagine, how amazing to see her as a bride.
She is calm and contented. At the same time, she's bold too.
Yeah.
There, and then she determined to do something to face the challenges.
Yeah.
That's what I know. There are some examples, but I don't want to tell you everything about.
Hi, I'm Helen. I'm Mark's mom.
And I'm Todd. I'm Mark's father.
Amazing. So how are you guys feeling this morning?
Excited for Mark.
Yeah.
Looking forward to the whole day.
Mm-hmm. And then growing up with Mark and everything, what does today mean for you guys?
But he goes.
It's a big milestone. It's part of him growing up. No.
Hey, I'm in love.
Pretty real. It's hard to imagine that the little boy who grew with us is now getting married and starting off on a new life with a wonderful woman. And I could never have imagined that somebody like Akansha, who's so wonderful, would come into my son's life. And it's exciting.
What was your initial reaction to their relationship?
I couldn't believe how such a beautiful person would be with my son. And the more I got to know her, I realized not only she's physically beautiful, she's beautiful inside. And she's a lovely, lovely person. And we're really excited to have her as part of our family.
Their future together. So be really quite exciting to see all of that come together. So there's been lots of planning, lots of time, and everybody's looking forward to the big day.
Yeah. And so with your son being married today, are there any memories from him that have been kind of brought up?
Yeah, you sort of think about him being born and,
the fact that we started a family and back to our own wedding and what a day it was. And now we're the parents standing in the background. And it's very emotional.
Really, like before, it's a huge milestone, and you never don't. You know the day is coming. It takes a long time to get there, but quite exciting when it does, and happy to watch the future and watch their marriage grow and evolve over the years as well.
Perfect. Is there anything else you guys want to add to the memories?
no, we just wish them all the happiness in the world.
That's what it's all about. It's a happy light. And I